In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer Google Calendar to another Gmail account. Let's dive straight into it. First, you need to open your web browser and navigate to the Google Calendar website. Type in calendar.google.com and hit enter. This will bring you to the main page of your Google Calendar. Once you're there, look towards the top right corner of the screen. That's where the settings button is located. It looks like a little gear icon. Click on it and a drop-down menu will appear. From this drop-down menu, select Settings. Now, on the left side of the screen, you'll see a series of options. Look for Settings for My Calendars. Clicking on this will display a list of all the calendars you currently have linked to your account. Choose the one you want to transfer to another Gmail account by clicking on its name. Doing so will open more detailed settings specific to that particular calendar. Next, scroll through these settings until you find Integrate Calendar. This section will provide you with a variety of options and information related to how this calendar is integrated across different services. Click on Integrate Calendar, where you'll notice a segment that reads Public Address in iCal format. What you need to do now is copy the URL directly below this heading. This URL is crucial as it will allow you to transfer your calendar information to another account. Once you've copied that URL, head back to your calendar homepage, the page where you initially landed when you first logged into Google Calendar. Look towards the left side of the screen for Other Calendars. You should see a plus sign right beside it, indicating adding another calendar. Click on it and then select From URL from the options that appear. This will bring up a new form where you can paste the URL you copied earlier. Finally, after pasting the URL into the provided space, look for the option that says Add Calendar, usually located beneath the URL field. Click on it and voila! You have now successfully added your Google Calendar to another Gmail account. And there you have it, a simple and effective way to transfer your Google Calendar to another Gmail account. This method allows you to share your calendar's events with another account, making it accessible and ensuring nothing gets lost in the process. You can double check that the events have been successfully imported by navigating through the newly created calendar under Other Calendars. Remember, this process won't delete or alter any information from your original calendar. It just mirrors it onto another account. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments, and I'll do my best to help out.